webinar, and after that.
Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Dr. Abe, for the moderator in the session 6. Yeah, we are finally almost at the end of the series of the webinar. Okay, moment. I need to share my screen. Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are finally almost at the end of series of first Indopet webinar. This webinar is also in conjunction with the 20 years of the Simolek celebrations. So may I invite again Simolek Deputy Director for Administration and Finance, Mr. Yoni Utomo, to deliver his closing speech. Mr. Yoni Utomo, the time is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Daya. Thank you, Mr. Daya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting from Siamolek Jakarta. On behalf of the director of Siamolek, we would like to thank to all participants, resource person, and colleges who participating in the first Indopet International webinar, which is conducted on February 20th up to 24th, 2017. On the view of the last 5 days, we had a fruitful discussion through 6 sessions by the expert. Let me inform you that this webinar is hosted by Simolek as a partner of Indopet project to disseminate the result of the first implementation of the pilot European-tested pedagogical method in the 5 Indonesian universities. This webinar is also a part of the activities to celebrate the 20th anniversary Siamolek, which will be held on Monday, 27th of February 2017. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very happy to find this webinar was attended by more than 100 participants, among others teachers, educators, and education practitioners from various countries in Southeast Asia. We highly appreciate to your responses. We also excited to see the responses from our participants who were satisfied with the implementation method, as well as speakers who attended all the session. Ladies and gentlemen, in the end, we hope that the webinar will bring benefit education practitioner and can be adapted and enrich and applied our education system through South Asia countries. Thank you very much and all the best. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, thank you very much, Mr. Yoni Utomo. Thank you very much, Mr. Yoni Utomo. May I remind you that all sessions in this webinar have been recorded. You may access it through our website, webinar.simolek.org. Yeah. But you need to go to the schedule and then click each presenter, and then you can see the link how to download the recorded sessions. May we remind you again also, please also fill and submit questionnaire which can be accessed through this address bit.ly/Indopet. Any feedback or comments regarding this webinar, you may send an email to us, yeah, through our email research@simolek.org. For all participants that have been registered and followed at least 4 out of 6 sessions, committee will provide you an e-certificate that will be delivered in your email at least 1 week from now. So please wait for it. Yeah. Once again, on behalf of Simolek Committee, as coordinator of this program, may I express our sincere gratitude for all presenters and also for our beloved participants. Thank you very much for your valuable contribution and active participations. Hopefully, all content in this webinar beneficial for you and inspire you to be implemented with your student in your respectful institutions. So, see you again in the next Simolek webinar. Bye-bye.